Hello, everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone is well. I am blessed and hope everyone is blessed. I come to you this morning. I'm going to read my scriptures today, and I'm getting ready to make skillet meatloaf patties. I have them also in turkey as well as in ground meat. Okay, now let me pull up these 2 or 3 little scriptures out for you all. And I hope that whatever I pull out today will bless someone today, tomorrow, whenever they open up the videos to see them. Okay. Blessed are they that which do hunger and thirst after the righteousness, for they shall be filled. Matthew 9:5 and 6. Blessed are they which do hunger and thirst after righteousness, for they shall be filled. Matthew 5:6. Okay? For everyone that asketh, receiveth, and he that seeketh, findeth. To him that knocketh, it shall be opened. Matthew 7:8. For everyone that asks, receiveth, and he that shall seek, findeth, and to him that knocketh, it shall be opened. Matthew 7:8. So thank you so much for the word that I read today. Oh, here's one more. In every nation that fears him and worketh righteousness is accepted with him. Acts 10:15. Thank you so much for the reading today. Right now I'm getting ready to start with my this is the turkey meat that I'm working with right now. And I have about a pound and maybe 1/4 or something here to work with. Put this way. All right, I have a pound and about a pound and 1/4 of turkey meat in here that I'm going to be using. And then I'll be putting in my bell peppers and onions and the sweet peppers all mixed combined. And I'm going to pour it in to my turkey meat. And I'm also doing this one. Now I will be putting in here a piece of good tab too, so it's kind of heavy. I had to unthaw the turkey meat also. So when you unthaw them, get it unthawed for the turkey meat. I don't want any water in it at all. So that's what I was doing. Okay. So I have 1 egg, well beat. Okay. I'm going to be putting that in also. Put it in. Okay. Okay, now I'll be putting in a little bit of Italian seasoning. And complete. Okay. And then paprika. Garlic powder. Onion powder. And breadcrumbs. Now you have to use your own idea when it comes to your breadcrumbs and stuff. And what I'm putting in. It may take a little bit more and it may take a little less. So I do have a pound and 1/4 of turkey, ground turkey, I'm sorry.
y'all, this is marinara.
Sometimes it's good if you had Italian breadcrumbs. They're a little bit thicker, and the regular plain breadcrumbs are not quite as heavy as these the Italian or the other brand. A Plinko. We have a little bit more in it also. Okay, so I'm gonna try to start putting these in the skillet. Oh, here's got to put it here. It's just the little those are dark spots. This is where I was pouring in the well, I guess it was either the I don't know which one it was. It was the complete of the Italian, or one or the other. Which I was looking at it. If you think it's something else, that's what it is. So. She wants them smaller. Okay, I didn't realize you were big though. Okay. With the pancake, with the turner, I move it back. That's all. That one. Okay. Is that one okay? Okay, that's all I'm gonna put in that one. Okay. All right. And that's I'm putting the marinade in.
Okay, y'all, we're just pouring a little chicken broth in there. Just a little bit. So we're gonna let this simmer for about 15 minutes or so. And we'll be back. She added marinara. Still cooking, y'all. Okay, y'all, this is it. This is the meatloaf meat patties. And marinara. And you see how she seasoned it. And she put chicken broth in there as it was cooking with the marinara. Okay, y'all, we just put a little cheese on there so it can melt a little bit. And we'll be back with the finished product. All right, thank you.
All right, I'm back with the turkey meatloaf patties, and also I have beef meatloaf patties, and I have both of them here. And this one is all in the bowl. This one's in the skillet still.
This one is turkey, and this is beef.
Okay, so I hope you all will see this and The description is will be on her on the description box. But anyway, I'm getting ready to have a bite, so I just want you all to see meat patty meatloaf, meat patty meatloaf.
And this is the
For
turkey.
turkey and for beef. So this is what I have for today's dinner. And I thank you all so much. God bless each and every one. This is just a little something I wanted to put on a video. So somebody want to change your mind. You don't want to make a big meatloaf. You can make it in little patties like you would the Salisbury patties. Thank you so much. God bless. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful week coming up. Don't forget to put God first. Let us all pray and know that God is the way and the right way. Thank you so
pray
much.
for this nation like you never prayed for it before. All right.
Keep on praying. Thank you for everyone. Get all my love. Goodbye from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Thank you so much, 2025.